Imagine if two simple words could change everything. What if all it took to unlock the life you desire was a phrase so powerful it could shape your reality? You may have heard about the law of attraction, manifestation, or positive affirmations, but today we're diving even deeper. In this video, we're going to reveal two words, just two, that have a profound impact on your mind, energy, and ultimately your destiny. These aren't just any words. People have claimed that by repeating them, they experienced life-changing breakthroughs, financial abundance, healed relationships, newfound peace, and clarity. Some even say these words can raise your vibration and open a direct line to the universe itself. Why should you watch this video till the end? Because we're not only going to share these two words, but we'll also explore the lesser-known science and ancient wisdom behind why they work. You'll understand how words don't just express our thoughts, they have the power to reshape them. You'll see how this simple practice can lead to profound shifts in your energy, guiding you towards a reality where your dreams become your everyday experience. Welcome to your channel name. If you're ready to unlock the power of these words and transform your life, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Let's dive in. Every word we speak, every phrase we repeat carries energy. It might seem like a small thing, just words slipping from our lips or thoughts in our minds, but these words have power far beyond what we usually recognize. When we say something, especially with emotion or conviction, we're not only expressing ourselves, we're actually shaping the way we experience the world. It's like we're setting a tone, creating a path that our mind, energy, and actions naturally follow. Think about it. How many times have you heard people say, "I'm just unlucky," or "nothing ever works out for me"? And what usually happens? Life unfolds in ways that mirror those very words. On the other hand, people who affirm, "I am capable," or "opportunities are everywhere," often find themselves encountering unexpected chances or receiving help they didn't anticipate. This isn't coincidence, it's the influence of words on our reality. Words work on a subconscious level. When we repeat certain phrases, our subconscious mind absorbs them, treating these words as truths. Over time, these truths become our beliefs, guiding how we react, feel, and even how we see the world. Positive affirmations, in particular, play an important role here. They serve as a tool to rewire the subconscious, replacing old, limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Instead of focusing on fear or doubt, positive affirmations lead our minds to expect better outcomes and embrace greater possibilities. But there's more to it than just positive thinking. Research has shown that the brain has a kind of filtering system called the reticular activating system, or RAS. This system helps us focus on things that align with our current beliefs and values, often filtering out anything that doesn't match. When we start using words that emphasize what we want, like success, happiness, and abundance, our RAS starts paying attention to opportunities or signs connected to those things. In a way, it's like our mind becomes magnetized to anything that matches the words we keep repeating. Words also influence our emotions, and emotions are powerful forces that affect every aspect of our lives. Think of words as seeds. When we plant positive seeds through uplifting words, we're more likely to feel hopeful, energized, and open to new ideas. When we plant negative seeds, the opposite happens. Our mood becomes heavier, our outlook dimmer, and we may even find it harder to take action toward our goals. It's like setting an energetic boundary around ourselves based on the words we choose. And there's even an ancient perspective that sees words as magical tools for creating reality. Many spiritual traditions teach that words are a form of energy that can either build or break. This idea spans cultures and ages, from the ancient wisdom of the East to the practices of ancient Egypt and beyond. They all believed that words, when spoken with intention, could invoke certain energies, summon specific states of mind, or even bring about physical change. So when we choose our words carefully, we're not just speaking or thinking randomly, we're actually directing our lives with purpose. Positive affirmations are a way of taking control of that power. Instead of letting our minds drift into negative patterns or limiting beliefs, we're training ourselves to look for the good, to expect the best, and to align with the highest version of ourselves. Now, it's time to unveil the two words that hold this incredible power. These two words are simple yet deeply profound: thank you. At first glance, they may seem ordinary, even basic. We use them daily without a second thought, but when spoken with true intent, thank you becomes a key that unlocks a world of abundance, peace, and clarity. Why? Because gratitude, expressed sincerely, has a magnetic quality that attracts positive energy, amplifies our awareness, and shifts our focus away from lack and toward appreciation. Let's break down the power behind these two words. When you say thank you, especially in moments when it's least expected, you're doing something profound. You're signaling to your mind, body, and the universe that you acknowledge the good around you, even in small forms. It's like lighting a spark within that attracts more of what you're thankful for. When we express gratitude, it opens a channel for receiving, creating space for more good things to enter. There's also a fascinating psychology behind thank you. By saying these words often, we train our minds to notice things we appreciate rather than things we wish were different. Imagine starting your day with thank you in your mind, or saying it before you drift to sleep. This habit conditions the brain to focus on abundance instead of scarcity, on solutions rather than problems. It's a practice that not only shifts your mood, but also changes your perception, making you more open to the positives in your life. Even ancient wisdom agrees with this approach. Many cultures and spiritual practices emphasize the power of gratitude, seeing it as a practice that grounds us, connects us to the present, and brings us closer to our desires. Saying thank you isn't just about politeness, it's an energetic act. By repeating these words, you're inviting more of what aligns with that vibration into your life, whether it's love, success, peace, or opportunities. In fact, some people even use thank you as a mantra, repeating it throughout the day as a way to align with higher energy. When used as a form of affirmation, thank you becomes a declaration to the universe, acknowledging all the good that already exists and opening the door for more. It's a reminder to stay grounded, to look for beauty, and to feel fulfilled with what you already have. So the next time you're seeking change or desiring something new, consider starting with a simple thank you. Say it in moments of joy and even in moments of challenge. You'll find that these two words can shift your perspective, elevate your energy, and transform your life in ways you might never have imagined. Incorporating thank you into daily life doesn't require much effort, but the results can be surprisingly powerful. One of the simplest ways to start is by making thank you the first thought you have in the morning. As soon as you wake up, before even getting out of bed, say thank you either out loud or in your mind. This small act sets a tone of gratitude, preparing your mind to notice the positives throughout the day. Another effective time to use these words is right before sleep. Reflecting on the day with a few quiet moments of thank you helps you focus on what went well, no matter how small. It's easy to get caught up in worries or regrets before bed, but shifting to gratitude can improve your mood and even help you sleep more peacefully. You might say thank you for specific things, like a helpful friend, a good meal, or a moment of laughter. Or you could simply say it as a way of releasing the day and appreciating life as a whole. You can also integrate thank you into moments of daily routine. Think about saying it before meals, acknowledging the nourishment and energy provided by the food. Or say thank you as you step outside, appreciating nature or simply the air around you. Even small actions like these create subtle but meaningful shifts, grounding you in appreciation and helping you notice beauty in everyday things. In moments of stress or challenge, thank you can become a powerful tool for grounding and calming. Let's say you're facing a difficult situation like a tough conversation or a busy day at work. Can help you focus, releasing anxiety and reminding you that every experience, even challenging ones, has something to teach. In these moments, thank you becomes a way of staying open, accepting the present, and allowing yourself to grow from the experience. Another approach is to use thank you as a mental response to any good news, no matter how small. Did you find a convenient parking spot? Say thank you. Did a friend reach out unexpectedly? Say it again. By turning thank you into your automatic response to life's small victories, you reinforce a mindset of abundance, which naturally attracts more of the same. Lastly, consider creating a gratitude journal where you write thank you followed by anything that comes to mind. This doesn't have to be a long exercise, just a few lines each day. By putting pen to paper, you give yourself a visual reminder of everything you have to appreciate, allowing you to see all the positives that often go unnoticed. These small acts may seem simple, but they build a habit of gratitude, helping you live with a perspective that is both positive and open to endless possibilities. And over time, these two words, repeated in both big and small moments, begin to transform your experience, attracting more of what you're truly grateful for into your life. Repeating thank you regularly can lead to remarkable changes, both subtle and profound. For many people, the first noticeable shift is in their overall mindset. By focusing on gratitude, they begin to see the world through a different lens, finding things to appreciate even in challenging situations. This shift isn't just about feeling better, it's about rewiring the mind to focus on abundance rather than lack. As a result, people often report feeling more optimistic and resilient, able to handle stress and setbacks with a greater sense of calm. One common benefit people experience is improved relationships. When you're consistently grateful, it naturally affects the way you interact with others. Expressing thank you sincerely, whether to a friend, family member, or even a stranger, creates a sense of connection and goodwill. Relationships become more positive as people respond to this energy, leading to deeper connections and more harmonious interactions. There are stories of couples whose relationships improved simply by starting a daily gratitude practice, finding new appreciation for each other that revitalized their bond. Others notice a boost in motivation and productivity. When gratitude becomes a habit, it fuels a cycle of positive reinforcement. One entrepreneur shared how saying thank you for each opportunity, even in tough times, made him more aware of his strengths and resources. This awareness kept him motivated and focused, leading to breakthroughs in his work. By focusing on what he was thankful for, he discovered new ways to overcome challenges and reach his goals faster. Health improvements are another benefit often linked to gratitude. Research has shown that people who practice regular gratitude tend to experience lower stress levels, which can positively impact physical health. Lower stress means better sleep, improved immune function, and even lower blood pressure. There are accounts of people who, after introducing thank you into their daily routines, reported feeling more energized and less anxious. They found themselves more at peace, sleeping better, and waking up with a sense of purpose. Financial abundance is also a powerful area where thank you has shown remarkable effects. Many individuals have shared testimonials of how their finances improved after they began a gratitude practice centered around these two words. By focusing on what they already had rather than what they lacked, they felt more confident and open to new opportunities. One woman shared how she started each day by saying thank you for every dollar in her bank account, no matter how little. Gradually, she noticed unexpected income streams, new job offers, and financial windfalls coming her way. The simple act of gratitude helped her release her worries and align with abundance. Another subtle but powerful shift is in self-confidence and self-worth. When people regularly say thank you, they learn to appreciate themselves as much as their surroundings. This self-appreciation builds inner strength and reduces the need for external validation. One example is a student who felt overwhelmed by constant comparisons to others. By practicing gratitude, she started recognizing her unique qualities and talents, gaining a newfound sense of self-assurance that led to success in both her studies and personal life. It's not just about positive thinking, it's about creating an energetic state that invites better experiences. When gratitude becomes a habit, the energy shifts, leading to noticeable changes in mindset, relationships, health, finances, and overall well-being. These transformations may start small, but over time, they compound, creating a life filled with more joy, peace, and success. As you've seen, 2 simple words thank you can truly open doors to abundance, joy, and deeper connections. Imagine the shifts you could experience by bringing more gratitude into your life, day by day. Why not start today? Try it for yourself and see how these words can transform your perspective and your reality. We'd love to hear about your journey. Share your experiences or any positive changes you notice in the comments below.